And so I have my quadratic in standard form. In this case, it's written in function notation. And by now, I know the relationship between the minus 6, the plus 9, and this minus 3. And I know that the vertex of this parabola that's defined by the quadratic would be at 3 and 0. Well, what happens to the standard form of the equation if shift happens? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift it down 3 units. And I'm going to do that by subtracting 3 from my function. So now my vertex is at 3 and negative 3. What's happened to the standard form of the equation? Well, I'm going to have to do a little bit of simplification because this is sort of an ugly mess here, and this should be plus 6 instead of plus 9 minus 3. So your job is to figure out, given the standard form and all the relationships we know that exist between this minus 6 and that plus 9 and that minus 3 and that number plus 6, how can you figure out from this standard form of the equation what the vertex form of the equation is? And that's your job.